Okay, so now comes RDD, Resilient Distributed Dataset, which is or plays a crucial role in Apache Spark, right? So, what is RDD? So, it basically stands for Resilient Distributed Data Set. It is a fundamental data structure in Apache Spark and plays a crucial role. It actually represents an immutable, fault-tolerant distributed collection of objects that can be processed in parallel across a cluster. So, in a simpler way, we can say that it is a dataset which has been pre-processed. Pre-processed here means the dataset which have a very low chances of having null values or repeated values. RDDs are the building blocks of Spark applications and are designed to provide high level abstraction for distributed data processing, right? Now let's understand each term of RDD, right? So R stands for resilient, which means that they can recover lost data due to node failures. For example, whatever the data set is being into the model or into the nodes for the processing, if due to some reason that node lost the data, then because of we are using RDD, we can actually recover that lost data. If a partition of an RDD is lost, Spark can compute it using the lineage information stored during the transformation process. The second term is D, which represents distributed, which means RDDs are distributed across multiple nodes in a cluster, allowing in parallel processing of data, right? Spark can automatically handle the distribution and parallel execution of the task. If we talk about dataset, then dataset, I guess you all know what is dataset. Dataset is a collection of data, right? Now, one more feature or characteristic which I would like to add in RDDs include immutability, which means that once created, RDDs cannot be modified. But you can perform transformations on RDDs to create a new RDD. For example, if you want to change RDD for some reason, but since it's immutable, but what you can do is like you can create a new RDD by applying a transformation on the previous RDD according to your needs, right?